The first thing in the rule of three is you give the audience the information they need to understand what the joke's going to be about. The second thing reinforces that, makes sure that the audience understands what the pattern is, and then the third one in the pattern puts a spin on it, twists it in some way, confounds your expectation. It's confounded expectation, essentially. My favourite rule of three joke at the moment, which is a very fine example, is a Jimmy Carr joke. And the joke is, isn't it annoying when you wake up in the morning and you look at the person lying next to you in bed and you can't remember what their name is, where you met them, or why they're dead? That's a perfect rule of three. The first one establishes the setting. The second one makes you think you know what the list is going to be. And the third one is the last thing in the world you expect to hear. Why three? Psychologists tell us that the brain most easily learns in patterns of three. If you give it three pieces of information, it will remember them. When you tell someone the fourth piece of information, you forget the first one. The brain is wired to learn in threes. So often when you're sitting in a lecture, you will see maybe 3 bullet points come up. It's not a coincidence. It's because the science of teaching revolves very much around the rule of three. When you see Tony Blair or Gordon Brown or David Cameron make a speech, they will say, we're going to do this, we're going to do this, and then we're going to do that. They will deliver politics to you in groups of three. Everything's threes. 3-act plays. 3 Little Pigs. 3 Billy Goats Gruff. Father, Son, Holy Ghost. It's all threes. You can think of thousands of examples where creatives through the centuries have instinctively known that it's an Englishman, an Irishman, and a Scotsman that go into that bar. 3 is the magic number.